The 2024 BMW i5 eDrive40, part of the 5 Series sedan lineup, exemplifies a harmonious blend of luxury, innovation, and performance. The vehicle showcases a sporty yet sophisticated design, featuring new dynamic elements and exterior color options such as Cape York Green and Brooklyn Gray Metallic. The sedan is equipped with standard 19-inch wheels, with optional wheels up to 21-inch for a more dramatic look. Safety and technology are at the forefront, with features like active blind spot detection and lane departure warning coming standard. The available highway assistant allows for hands-free driving at speeds up to 85 miles per hour on controlled access highways. The vehicle also integrates the iDrive40 operating system, offering intuitive interactions and compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The base model, eDrive40, features a rear-drive setup with 335 horsepower. The i5 is equipped with an 84.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack, providing an estimated range of 295 miles. The sedan also offers personalized experiences through My Modes, allowing drivers to customize each trip with modes like Personal, Efficient, Sport, Relax, Expressive, and Digital Art. The standard parking assistant package and the available parking assistant, plus provide parking support and additional features like surround view with 3D view, drive recorder, and anti-theft recorder. Inside, the i5 eDrive40 offers a luxurious experience with standard sport seats and a BMW curved display leaning towards the driver for convenience. The available glass controls and full-glass Sky Lounge roof further enhance the luxury feel, while the optional M Sport package adds a sporty flair with M wheels, Shadowline exterior trim, M Sport brakes, and an M Sport steering wheel. It starts at an MSRP of $66,800, positioning itself as a mid-size luxury sedan with a seating capacity for up to 5 passengers. The 2024 BMW i5 eDrive40 is a testament to BMW's commitment to innovation, luxury, and performance. With its stylish design, advanced safety features, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance, the sedan is poised to be a strong contender in the electric vehicle market. The 2024 BMW i5 not only focuses on performance and luxury, but also emphasizes sustainability with the introduction of Veganza, a new faux leather upholstery. This material offers an eco-friendly alternative to traditional leather, aligning with the growing consumer demand for sustainable vehicle interiors. The availability of Veganza showcases BMW's dedication to incorporating sustainable practices and materials in their vehicle designs, catering to a more environmentally conscious audience. In addition to its sustainability features, the i5 also stands out in terms of connectivity and infotainment. The vehicle is equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system featuring over-the-air updates, ensuring that the software remains current and up-to-date. The inclusion of Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, in-dash navigation, a wireless smartphone charging pad, a Harman Kardon stereo system, and an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot further enhance the driving experience, keeping passengers connected and entertained on the go. The BMW i5 is part of a broader strategy by BMW to expand its electric vehicle lineup and meet the growing demand for eco-friendly transportation solutions. The i5, along with other models in the i-Series, represents BMW's vision for the future of mobility, combining cutting-edge technology, performance, and sustainability. As the automotive industry continues to evolve towards electrification, the i5 is a clear indication of BMW's commitment to being at the forefront of this transformation. Lastly, the i5's competitive positioning in the market is noteworthy. It enters a segment with established players like the Tesla Model S and the Porsche Taycan, as well as newcomers like the Genesis electrified G80 and the Mercedes-Benz EQE. The i5's blend of performance, luxury, and innovative features make it a strong contender, and it will be interesting to see how it fares against its rivals in terms of market reception and sales. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.